Okay, serious question. Why does my money disappear like it's got a secret portal to another dimension? Why me?
I've tried door #1. It's mostly pain. What's behind door #2? This is the money snowball. It starts small, then gets scary big. Compound interest is when your money earns money, and then that money earns money too. It's like planting a seed, then the tree drops more seeds, forever. Simple interest is like walking. Compounding is like starting in a shopping cart, then finding a downhill ramp. Here's the secret sauce: time. Compounding loves time the way kids love candy. The earlier you start, the longer the snowball rolls.
Some companies share part of their profits with shareholders. That payment is called a dividend. It's like owning a tiny slice of a lemonade stand.
If the business makes profit, it can reinvest it or pay some to you. Dividends are that paid to you part. Many brokers let you turn on dividend reinvestment, sometimes called DRIP. It's basically your money on autopilot. Quick warning, a super high dividend yield can be a trap. Sometimes the yield is high because the stock price fell for a reason.
Smarter approach. Do your homework, look for quality companies, steady profits, sustainable payouts, and a history of paying dividends without drama.
The inflation monster will slowly eat a dollar's buying power. Investing and compounding are how you fight back.
This is the whole system. Invest money and it grows, dividends will pay you, and reinvest and you own more shares and you get paid more, and repeat.
Eventually, your money starts doing more of the heavy lifting. Not overnight, but over time. And that's the point.
If you want more simple money explainers with zero hype, hit subscribe. Next up, how to spot a quality dividend stock.